Well, it's been a minute, a long minute since I've done a video. Sorry, I'm still in a boot, so I'm very conscious and careful of what I'm doing. But if you look behind me, look at that. It is December 29th. So I'm gonna end the year with a video. I was gonna do a top, whatever favorite photos of the year. Actually, that's what I was working on. And then this guy started doing some stuff, and it was actually doing some stuff all the afternoon. So I'm gonna end the year with a just good old-fashioned photo shoot. It was beautiful. It was 60-some degrees today. It's December 29th, right? Today is Sunday. Yes, December 29th. So we only got 2 more days of the 2024. 2025 is coming real quick, and it's coming in real cold here in West Virginia. The rest of this week's gonna be it's gonna drop weather-wise. So by next weekend, it's gonna be down in the 20s, and it's gonna stay in the 20s for a while, from what we could tell. Which it'll be January. It is what it is. I'm going out on a limb and saying, here's my prediction. We're going to see some of that cold weather till about the middle of the month, third week of the month, and then it's going to go back up. And I think we're going to average in the mid 30s to the mid 40s through February. You heard it here first. That's for here in New Martinsville, West Virginia. So, been a wild year. We got some trips in. Of course, through the summer, really didn't do a whole lot because, Mother Nature decided to scorch us. 90+ degrees, drought, arguably the worst drought they've seen here in a long time. And that's coming from the old timers. So, but still got some trips in, still got some photos taken, Yeah, it's warm enough, the gnats are out. So, but it was a pretty cool year, and I surprisingly, unsuspected, it came out, kind of came out of nowhere. We expected it, but we didn't expect it as soon as it did with the surgery. So that kind of took me out of commission through the fall. At least I had the drones here, so I was able to get some fall pictures. Recouping, I'm able to walk around without a crutch. I'm not using a wheelchair. I'm not using any of that stuff now. I use a crutch a little bit here and there when I don't have the boot on. So we're healing up. We're getting better, gearing up for 2025. And we'll see what happens and what comes our way and what I'm able to handle this first year with a new reconstructed foot and ankle. So, well, I don't think it's really going to turn into much else. I've been watching it. So we're going to end the year. Hope you enjoy these little photos that I got today. Nothing glamorous, nothing like spectacular, but cool little photo shoot. Taking the drone up, got the camera out. Great way to end the year. Happy New Year to everybody. And hopefully we will see you in 2025.